Hello everyone. Today I will discuss the next question of a CSIR NET June 2017 partial differential equation part C, and the question numbering is 94, and the question is here: if a complete integral of the partial differential equation x into p square plus q square is equal to z into p, where what is p? P is the partial derivative of z with respect to x, and the q is the partial derivative of z with respect to y. Passes through the curve x equal to 0 and z square equal to 4y. Then the envelope of this family passes through x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 has z is equal to minus 2, z equal to 2, and z is equal to square root of a 2 plus 2 into square root of a 2. And the fourth option is z is equal to minus 1 square root of a 2 plus 2 into square root of a 2. We have calculated the complete integral of the partial differential equation this. The equation contains the variable x, y, z, p and q. The function f contains x, y, z, p and q is equal to, if we multiply this inside the bracket, xp square plus xq square, then take on the left hand side minus zp is equal to 0. So xp square plus xq square minus zp is equal to 0. By using the Charpet method, what is the Charpet method? Charpet method is that dx divided by minus f of a p is equal to dy divided by minus f of a q is equal to dz divided by minus p into f of p minus q f of a q is equal to dp divided by f of x plus p into f of z and is equal to dq divided by f of y plus q into f of z. What is f of f? This is the partial derivative of the function f with respect to p, and this is the partial derivative of f with respect to q, and f of x is the partial derivative of f with respect to x, and f of z is the partial derivative of f with respect to z, and this is the partial derivative of the function f with respect to y. We have calculated all the value: partial derivative of f with respect to p, partial derivative of f with respect to q, and partial derivative of f with respect to x, and partial derivative of f with respect to z, and partial derivative of f with respect to y. The function f is that xp square plus xq square minus zp. Then the partial derivative of f with respect to p is 2xp minus z. Partial derivative with respect to q is 2xq, and with respect to x is p square plus q square. With respect to y, the function is independent of y, then the partial derivative is 0, and the partial derivative of f with respect to z is minus p. Putting all these value in the star equation, then equation star becomes dx divided by minus 2xp minus z, dy divided by minus 2xq, and dz divided by minus p into 2xp minus z minus q into 2xq is equal to dp divided by p square plus q square plus p into minus p equal to dq divided by 0 plus p into q into minus p. We have solved this equation taking last two fraction. dp, p square and minus p square is cancel out. This dp divided by q square equal to dq divided by minus pq. After cancelling q both sides, this remaining dp divided by q is equal to dq divided by minus p, and multiply both sides. P cross multiplication, p into dp equal to minus q into dq. We can take right hand side into the left hand side. this is becomes p into dp plus q into dq equal to 0, and integrate this equation, p square by 2 plus q square by 2 is equal to a. After taking the LCM, this becomes p square plus q square equal to a. This equation naming as a. Given that the partial differential equation is this, x into p square plus q square equal to z into p. This is the given equation, and from equation 1, p square plus q square equal to a, then putting the value of a in this equation, so x into p square plus q square becomes a is equal to z into p. Then the value of a p is x into a divided by z. This is the value of a p. Then putting the value of a p in equation 1, we have calculated the value of a q. Then the value of a q becomes p square plus q square equal to a. Putting the value of a p is equal to ax divided by z. Then q square equal to a minus a square x square divided by z square. Then q is equal to, we can take the square root after LCM. This is equal to a z square minus a square x square divided by z square, and take the square root on right hand side. This is equal to 1 by z into a z square minus a square into a square minus x square. Then the value of a q is this. Then the complete integrals is written in the form of this. dz is equal to p into dx plus q into dy, and the value of p is calculating here. P is equal to ax divided by z, and the value of a q is equal to 1 by z into square root of a z square minus a square into x square. Putting the value of a p and q in this equation, then dz is equal to ax by 2 into dx plus square root of a z square minus a square x square divided by z into dy. After taking the LCM, z into dz minus ax dx is equal to a z square minus a square y a square minus x square into dy. Z into dz minus ax dx divided by a z square divided by ax square minus a square x square is equal to dy. Then integrate this. This becomes square root of a z square minus a square x square is equal to a into y plus constant is b. And given that the complete integral of the partial differential equation passes through the curve. Given that the curve passes through, that's value x equal to 0 and z square equal to 4y. If the curve passes through x, y and z, this is x, given that x is equal to 0 and z square equal to 4y. Z square equal to 4y. Letting z equal to t. Z equal to t. Then the value of a y is z square by 4 is equal to y. Then putting z is equal to t, then this becomes t square by 4. This is equal to y. The curve passes through that point. The equation this, using the value this, because the curve passes through that points. Putting the value of a z equal to t and y is equal to t square by 4 and x equal to 0. The equation becomes this, square root of a t square equal to a t square by 4 plus b. 4 take on the left hand side, 4 into square root of a into t is equal to a t square plus 4b. Rearranging that term, a t square minus 4 square root of a into t plus 4b equal to 0. Case arises when if the discriminant is 0. The equation compare with this, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the discriminant is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If we take the discriminant is 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, Then we compare, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the value of a C. Then B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. That means 16A minus 4A into 4B equal to 0. 16A minus 16AB equal to 0. 16A takes the common in both the factor. This is inside the bracket is 1 minus B is equal to 0. If A equal to 0 and 1 minus B is equal to 0. If A equal to 0, then becomes a trivial solution. If A equal to 0, then becomes a trivial solution. And 1 minus B equal to 0, this implies B equal to 1. After calculating the value of A and B, if A equal to 0, then the trivial solution occurs, and B equal to 1. After calculating the value of A and B, if A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, then putting the value of A and B in the complete integral. Complete integral is this: square root of a z square minus a square x square equal to ay plus b. The value of A is 0, but A equal to 0, then the solution is trivial solution. So we reject the value of A equal to 0, and the value of B is equal to 1. The complete integral becomes this: a z square minus a square x square whole square root is equal to ay plus the value of b is equal to 1. This is 1. Squaring on both sides, a z square minus a square x square equal to ay plus 1 whole square. This is equal to, after opening the bracket, a square x square plus 1 plus 2ay, and combine all the terms on the left hand side. After rearranging, this becomes a square into x square plus y square plus a into 2y minus z square plus 1 is equal to 0. Then this equation is a quadratic equation with parameter is a. This is a quadratic in A. After this, we have calculated the discriminant. Discriminant is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then the discriminant becomes, this is the value of a b, 2y minus z square ka whole square minus 4a into c. The value of a c is a square 1 x square plus y square equal to 0. After rearranging this, we have calculated the value of a z. The value of a z is equal to plus minus square root of a 2y plus minus 2 into under root of a x square plus y square. And in the option 1, give that the envelope of this, in option this given that the envelope of this family passes through that point. Then calculate the value of a z. If x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, then calculate the value of a z. And z is equal to this. Z equal to this 2y plus minus 2 into square root of a x square plus y square. X equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Then z becomes, at the point 1 comma 1, this is equal to plus minus square root of a 2 plus 2 into square root of a 2. We can check the option one by one. Z equal to this is occur in the option 3rd and 4th. Then 3rd and 4th are the correct answer. First and second are incorrect. Thank you for watching my video.